Hi students, welcome to the video lecture on 8051 microcontroller. In this video lecture, we are going to see what is microcontroller, the architecture, components and register set of microcontroller. Let me explain what is microcontroller. Basically, all computers have CPU that executes the program. For example, if we are using a desktop computer or a laptop computer and if we want to use a web browser, the CPU in that machine is executing a program that implements a web browser and displays that page. The web browser is loaded from the hard disk. The desktop or laptop computer which we are using is said to be general purpose computer. That means it can run thousands of programs. Whereas microcontrollers are special purpose computers where it can do only one thing at a time with a great efficiency. By definition, a microcontroller is a small and low-cost microcomputer which is designed to perform the specific task of embedded systems like displaying microwaves information, receiving remote signals, etc. The general microcontroller consists of the processor, the memory, RAM, ROM and EEPROM, serial ports and peripheral devices such as timers and counters. Let us see the architecture of microcontroller 8051 and how the various components in the architecture work together to perform a task. A microcontroller is embedded inside a system to control a singular function of a device. It does this by interpreting the data it receives from input-output peripherals using its central processor. The information that received from the input-output peripherals is temporarily stored in its data memory. The processor uses this data and uses the instructions stored in its program memory to decipher and applying the incoming data. It then uses its input-output peripherals to communicate and enact the appropriate action. In this slide, let us see the basic components of microcontroller and the functionalities of each and every components in detail. Microcontrollers are used in a wide array of systems and devices. Devices often utilize multiple microcontrollers that work together within the device to handle their respective tasks. For example, a car might have many microcontrollers that control various systems within the car, such as anti-lock braking system, fuel injection, suspension controls, etc. Let us see the core elements of microcontroller. The first one is processor, that is CPU. CPU is said to be the brain of the device and it processes and responds to various instructions that direct the microcontroller's function. The basic operation involves arithmetic and logical operations and also the input-output operations. It performs the data transfer operations which communicate and commands to other components in the larger embedded system. The next component is the interrupt. Interrupt is said to be a subroutine call that given by the microcontroller when some other program with a higher priority request is occurring for the system buses. Interrupts provide a method to postpone or delay the current process, performs a subroutine task and then restart the standard program again. Next component is the bus. The bus is a group of wires which uses as a communication channel and act as means of data transfer. The different bus configuration includes 8, 16 or 32 bits data. The bus can be divided into two units. One is for address bus, another one is for data bus. The address bus consists of 16-bit address bus and it is used to transfer the address from the central processing unit to memory. And the data bus consisting of 8 bits data bus and it is generally used to transfer the data from one peripherals to the other peripherals. And it also has stack pointer which is capable of carrying a 8-bit register. Next is register set of microcontroller 8051. A register is a small place in a CPU that can store small amounts of data which is used for performing various operations such as addition and multiplication, and it loads the resulting data on the main memory. The registers contain the address of the memory location where the data is to be stored. 8051 microcontroller consists of two types of register. One is general purpose register, another one is special function register. Let us see the memory organization of microcontroller 8051. A microcontroller's memory is used to store the data, and that data is received by the processor and also the instruction. Both are used to carry out a specific task. A microcontroller has two main memory types. They are program memory and data memory. Program memory is said to store long-term information about the instructions that is used by the CPU. A program memory is a non-volatile memory, and data memory, which is required for temporary data storage, and it is a volatile memory. Now let us see the register set. The 8051 microcontroller consists of 256 bytes of RAM memory, which is further divided into two 128 bytes for general purpose register and 128 bytes for special function register. The memory which is used for general purpose is called RAM memory. The special function register contains all the peripheral related registers like accumulator, B registers, timers or counters, and interrupt related register. The general purpose register is again divided into three areas such as bank, bit addressable area, and scratch pad area. The bank register consists of four banks, that is B0, B1, B2 and B3, and it contains 8 general purpose register ranging from R0 to R7. And one more register which is used in 8051 microcontroller are program status word register. The program status word register is a bit and byte addressable register. This register reflects the status of the operation that is carried out in the controller. Let us see the application of 8051. Some of the instruments where 8051 microcontrollers used are light sensing and controlling devices, temperature sensing and controlling devices, fire detection and safety, automobile applications, and defense applications. It is also used in some of the measuring applications such as voltmeter, measuring and revolving objects, current meter objects, and in some of the handheld metering system.